Hello, everyone. I wanted to help try to solve an issue that I have seen that has confused me and is confusing a lot of people as far as trying to assign multiple channels from Kontakt into your mixer in your DAW of choice. I am using Studio One, but the concepts should work the same throughout most of the popular DAWs that are out there. The problem exists within Kontakt. It's just kind of confusing the way they have it set up. My goal is to not just have one stereo channel, but to have multiple stereo channels. I'm going to try to set up about 8 of them. And if just for background, what it's doing here is you have a stereo channel and you have these 4 auxiliary channels, 4 aux channels. And if you want to send them to your DAW, you click here and you can choose this stereo channel. You can choose your auxiliary channels. And then, you can choose some more if you want to. Now, when I close out of here and we look at the mixer, here's what's going on. ST1, aux1, aux2, aux3, and aux4 are stereo. KT unassigned 1, 2, and 3 are mono. I want to have more than just 5 stereo channels. I want 8. So what do I do? Well, what I found out that you can do is, let me open up Kontakt again. You need to set up your mixer first and then configure that. So let's go ahead and I'm going to turn off all these guys so that it takes those mixer channels away. And now I'm going to go ahead and configure this to have 8 stereo channels, just like I want. So let me hit the plus button here. I'll drag this into view so you can see it. To do this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set your quantity to the number that you want to have in your project. So I'm going to say 8 stereo channels. The number of channels are 2. And that's kind of deceiving, so because of the wording there. But channels, these are channels within channels. So I have 8 channels, and they have 2, a left and right signal each. That makes them stereo. My sound card and host output. Here's where the problem is. Here's stereo 1, outputs 1 and 2. And then here's all my auxiliaries, outputs 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 for auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2, auxiliary 3. Okay, so for continuity's sake, I'm going to go ahead and choose my first one to be this first unassigned, KT unassigned number 1. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete whatever exists currently, and then hit OK. So now you can see I have 8 stereo channels just the way I want them. But wait a second, Studio One still sees it as the old way. It still sees stereo 1, auxiliaries, and then all of your mono tracks. That's not what we want. So what I need to do is I need to go here and I need to save this for my VST plugin. See, save current output selection state as default for VST plugin. Now that that's done, close Kontakt, remove it, and let's load up a new instance. When I load Kontakt in here now, it starts with my 8 channels in stereo like I want. Now when I check the output, it has 8 stereo channels. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped somebody today. If you liked it, feel free to like the video. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be uploading some more content soon, some more music tracks, other help tips and stuff for Studio One and FL Studio. And I'll probably be doing those within the next coming weeks, coming months. And hope to see you out there. Thanks a lot.